Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the try catch block but as an expression, as a return expression. At the moment we've got a try catch block here which just handles, if we put a divide by zero, so any sort of arithmetic error. Actually, if you haven't watched the try catch block video, recommend checking that out because this is built on top of foundations that we added in there, and this import is automatically added when we use the arithmetic exception. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'm actually going to get rid of all of this. Get rid of all of this. I'm going to create a new function. I'm going to say convert, and this will take a string. I'll just call it string variable, and the data type is of string, and we are going to return an integer. So we are going to take a string and we're going to convert it into integer. So if we get some user input and maybe we get the input 5, it might be stored in the string, but we might want to manipulate it mathematically. So this is just moaning because we haven't got a return type yet. Don't worry, we're going to handle all of that. We're just going to put return try. So the only difference is we have a try block. So I'll just do the normal try block that we are used to. And in here, we are going to do integer dot parse int. So we're just going to try and pass this string variable that's passed in. Basically, we're trying to convert it to an integer. And catch. So if there is some sort of arithmetic exception, we'll just put 0. Okay, so you might be thinking, okay, what's happening here? There's a slight little difference, and if I put a return statement, that is the try catch block as an expression. So what happens is whatever result is in here gets returned, and if it goes into the catch block, whatever results in here gets returned. So if it successfully converts it, we'll return the number. If not, we'll just return 0. So let's actually run this. To run it, well, first of all, we need to create a variable, and I want to call this string equals get number. Convert. So we want to call the convert method, and I'm going to pass in the number 98, or the string 98, which is obviously a number, and then I'm going to print line, and I'm going to say string, like so. So if I run it, let's see what we get. There you go, we get 98. Let's say if we put, I don't know, P. Let's see what we get if we put P. Okay, number format. Actually, no, we need to handle for that error. Number format exception. Number format exception. Let's try running this again. So there we go. Okay, it was just the wrong exception. So if we put the letter P, we can get rid of this import. It's no longer used. If we put the letter P, it's not a valid number. So we just return 0, whatever's in here. And the return type could be a string, doesn't have to be an integer. It could just be some sort of message that you're saying to the user, oh, success is a number or it's not a number. And if I put a number like -8 in here, we get a result of -8, but this is actually in number form. So that's how you use a try catch block as an expression when you are returning it, and basically the result in either the try or the catch is the returned data. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.